The book I read is Mice and Men by John Stein. The book is about a character named Lenny and his brother, or whatever you want to call him, named George. Mice and Men takes place in the olden days. The problem that George and Lenny have is that they work on farms, but the last time that they worked on a farm, Lenny touched a girl, and now they had to run away to work on a new farm. Lenny likes petting things, especially like mice and fur. So he wants to get a puppy. He has, on the way to the town of Ranch where they got their job certificates, Lenny had a mouse. George throws it into the woods because he gets mad. They needed to walk. The Soledad bus driver did not take them to the farm where they work, so they had to walk 10 miles. When they arrive at the ranch, they meet the boss. The boss is mad. Important characters in this book are George, Lenny, Carlson, Curly, and Curly's wife. Curly's wife is attractive to Lenny, and Lenny just loses it. This book really starts when everybody meets in the bunkhouse on the farm. Curly sees Lenny and crunches his fist. You know that he's scared. Curly was a boxer. He had no idea that Lenny was going to be so big, but Curly still wants to prove himself. One of the important scenes in the book is when Lenny laughs at one of Curly's phrases. Curly then picks him up and beats him suspiciously. Lenny does not fight back, he just sits there and takes it until George tells him to stop, fight back. Lenny grabs his fist and breaks his fist. One day, Lenny was in the barn. He kills his puppy that Slim gives him. Curly's wife comes in the barn and talks about soft things. Curly's wife then talks Lenny into petting his hair. He pets her hair, but then breaks her neck. Lenny runs away. Then Candy comes into the bunkhouse looking for Lenny, but then he sees Curly's dead wife. He goes to get George. They talk things out. Curly and his clan were looking for Lenny to kill him, so George goes the opposite way. George goes and finds Lenny. This is all I'm allowed to tell you.